Hey everyone, just getting to it here. So yeah, today I'm gonna do a little bit of tree cutting a little bit. So yeah, I got like today and the weekend to do it. Maybe tomorrow, maybe taking tomorrow I can do most of it and then finish out the rest tomorrow or something. So the neighbor Steve, he comes over and mows for us, and I just sweep it up after. So yeah. So at least up there, the front. Must be. Yeah. So yeah, sorry about that. So yeah. So yeah, sorry about that. Um, um, yeah, man. Yeah, today I'm going to do some tree cutting a little bit. Um, yeah. Today I'm gonna do some tree cutting a little bit, get most of it done. So, and then probably tomorrow I can just finish out the rest. It looks like so. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Is tree cutting a little bit. So I'm just letting you guys know if I'm gonna be doing that today. Alright. Just probably today and tomorrow, and can finish it up a little bit. So yeah, and I'll probably talk to you guys later or something, or see you guys later or something. Alright, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Alright, I'm just letting you guys know what I'm gonna be doing for today. So okay, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Alright, see ya.